Okay guys, so let's start our test here. We'll have our camera with the siren and the motion sensor. So I will try to enter on this area and we will test if the video analytic is working and triggering the siren. And my second test will be going behind the camera and testing the motion sensor trigger. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so our first test here, let's check the camera's detection. So the camera is there, so let's go. So as you guys can see, the camera detected me and we have the siren working here. So we have the siren. Okay, so let's test the motion sensor. The motion sensor, it's we have a high range of detection, so I'm going a little bit far away here. So let's go. Okay, so as you guys can see, it's already started and triggered the siren. So as you guys saw, the project worked. So the siren went off when the video detection analytic triggered my presence in the scene, and when the motion sensor detected me behind the camera. So this is, of course, it's a simple example on how the camera input and output alarms can work. Of course, we need a fine tune in the installation part and in the configuration as well, so the time that it will be triggered and etc. This may vary between the camera manufacturer, but the idea was to have this understanding on how it works. So I hope this was useful for you. Done! Now you have a camera that will trigger the siren if a person is detected in the scene and if the motion sensor pointing to its blind spot is triggered. Everything running locally, independently of any other system. Do you like this project? Do you want more content like this? Write here in the comments below which application you will do with these elements. And send me new ideas for other projects that we can do here together.